Hello everybody. Today I want to show you this Cooper Lighting or Halo recessed can light retrofit gimbal thing. Now, we actually got this for, we're remodeling a bathroom and we wanted a gimbal, but we couldn't find, but these LED ones, these like Retrofit and these have pretty much been the only option because we can't find any regular ones that like are not integrated and not like LED and whatnot that can gimbal. So this is pretty much the only choice. But here we go. It says Halo Cooper Lighting, easy installation. Yeah, it fits into like regular like Halo and probably other recessed cans like these. These are pretty good. They're they've been making these like forever and for a good reason. They're quite good, and since obviously they're not integrated LED rubbish, they last for a good long time. Because obviously you just change the bulbs when they burn out. But anyways, back to this. So, it pretty much came like open in the bag thing, the paper bag, when we got it. We are not keeping this. We have already generated an Amazon return request because ours was broken in shipping. Like, yeah, that's a big fail. So, here we get this thing, which, like, you screw it into the light socket, a bag of some parts or hardware in the bag, and obviously the manual, which you can probably find online, so I'm not gonna open it, because once you do, it's impossible to get it, like, closed again. Here's the thing, it's all pro? Hang on. So they're literally just selling this under the same thing under two different brand names. And they're like those are the, oh, I'm guessing, no. This is what it'll fit. It'll fit Halo and All Pro, recessed cans. That's probably what it is. See instructions, yeah. And there's it's UL listed. You can see there's the etch, if you can call it that. It is an LED lamp assembly, 7 watts. That's actually much less than I expected. So let's plug this in and take it for a whirl. Now, obviously, I can just plug it straight into the wall because it's just, I have these adapter things. 3, 2, 1. And, yeah, so it's obviously selectable color temperature. So, yeah. It actually doesn't look too bad. And, it lights up the room, like, really well. And, so let's go through the color temperatures. 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, 5000K. So, yeah. It's like a totally an adjustable color temperature. Oh, wow. Hang on. Does it just have 2 sets of LED? Does it just have a couple sets of LEDs? Yeah. And it literally just pulse width modulates the LEDs just to. Yeah, it has both the ice blue and warm white LEDs, and to get the color temperatures in between, it does pulse width modulation. That's interesting. Well, anyways, this was kind of a failure, but I thought I'd share it anyways. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.